Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is pretty much the longest clean with me I have ever done on my channel so far. So grab a snack, grab a drink. We're going to be here for a little bit, but that means a lot of cleaning motivation, and I am so proud of this video. We go through the bathroom, the kitchen, and the living room. The kitchen and the living room were two of the biggest messes because that's where I was sick, etc. So I needed to clean that up. I didn't want to do it too soon because, as you know, I did have COVID and I didn't want to be kind of cleaning up every single day. So I kind of just left it to when I was feeling better. I was the only one home at this time because my boyfriend couldn't afford to, lose out on some work shifts. So I was at home alone, and so therefore I made the mess myself. I'm rambling. Let's go ahead and get into the quote today. It's from Dwayne Johnson, and it says, "Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than before. It adds up." So, if you do 1% every day, you better yourself 1% every single day. That's a 30% increase in your life. You got better by 30% than you were last month. So that's just something to think about, and I hope you guys enjoy.
If I hurt your feelings, I can make you fall in love, but I won't catch you. 'Cause no one was there during breakup season. All I needed was a couple of I love you like I'm just a victim and not the evil feeling. So I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. That ain't what it seems. It's dark and cruel and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me. I'ma show you right, yeah, I'ma show you bad. When you're with me, you and me, you and me. Oh, I'll never replay my exes made me this way. Oh, 'cause love ain't what it seems. It's dark and cruel and mean when you're with me, you and me, you and me.
Now into the living room, which you guys can see has a plethora of tissues, some random books, a grocery bag of coconut water that I hadn't put away yet. So I'm just cleaning all that up. I'm a little bit overwhelmed at this moment, so I just take a trash bag and just tackle all the junk that had fallen off the couch. And then I also am going to wipe down all the surfaces. Anything that I came in contact with, I'm going to, number one, wipe down, but also disinfect. So anything that you see me spray once, and then the second time is always with a disinfectant, and I always leave it on for 10 minutes because that is the amount of time that you have to leave it sitting for it to be able to disinfect and do its job. So even though that there's a cut, I did leave it on for 10 minutes.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye.
This again was a very high traffic area for me. This is kind of where I do all my cooking, etc. You see a pile of flour because that's actually where I just made a pizza literally during this clean with me. I got a little bit hungry, so I got out some pizza dough out of my fridge that my mom had made me, and I rolled out a pizza, and it's actually in the oven as you watch this. So that's pretty fresh and pretty new. So I'm just gonna go ahead and with a dry cloth, I'm going to sweep all that flour into this trash can that I have here, and then go over it with the spray and disinfect it.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best.
I think the biggest thing that I used while, having COVID was dishes. I could not believe how many dishes I went through, how many cups, how many bowls, how many whatever. And so dishes have become my least favorite thing to do. But alas, I do have to do them. So I am just putting them into the dishwasher, and then I'm going to start it after I wipe down the sink and the counters. So yeah.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in
This clip is just of me wiping up that sanitation that I put down and how it had been 10 minutes. So in that 10 minutes, I went and did something else.
Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, if you stay, if you stay, oh, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. I'm taking a mental picture in my mind, just to keep this moment till the end of time. 'Cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. Oh, bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. If it's only for tonight, it's bittersweet, give it to me. You're so full of yourself, and I'm full of you 'cause you're always in my space. Your apologize came a little too late. You look into my eyes and I always take the bait. After all that we've been through, I always knew I'd be the one to
you guys so much for watching. I did have a little bit more I wanted to film for you guys, but that will be coming later because this already got super long. But an oven clean with me and some more stainless steel cleaning tutorials will be coming in the future. I hope you guys enjoy and have a good day. Bye!
I'll be the one to care a little bit way too much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. It has always been about you, never been a table set for